Presido Buhari don follow Economic Advisory Council members do virtual meeting. The members of the Economic Advisory Council on June 30th, 2020 used the virtual meeting as opportunity to take appreciate Presido Muhammadu Buhari administration as he implement recommendations wey dem give. Dem still suggest some tough choices wey government go make to increase the growth of the economy. Professor Adedoyin Salami, wey be the chairman of the council, tok say the review of the 2020 budget, the regulation of the pump price of petrol, approval of the implementation of the Oronsaye report, and the adjustment of the exchange rate regime dey very encouraging. The council welcomed the ratification of the Economic Sustainability Plan wey the Federal Executive Council bring, as dem tok say make federal government dey careful with the implementation of the 2.3 trillion naira stimulus package, say make dem execute the plan with the institutional and administrative structures wey don already dey for ground, and make dem pay at ten tion to where the money from dey come, as dis one fit cause inflation. Professor Salami tok say make dem set up priorities and 12-month targets to complete all projects. Say make dem put projects wey no fit meet dis deadline for the new economy recovery and growth plan. E still tok say make dem promote export-oriented production strategies, mass housing productions to take create jobs. Presido Muhammadu Buhari tok say the suggestions wey the council make na ogbonge one, as Naija dey characterized by the large population of people wey no too get, infrastructure wey no dey well, and the economy wey dis yamayama disease and oil sector wey collapse don affect well. Presido Buhari come accept the need to take activate the council proposal unto the prioritization of the Public Policy Coordinating Office, as e tok say the administration go continue to dey lis ten and dey do the best for Naija and Naija people. Dis na the ogbonge informate wey we bring come for una on top with tori for today. On top say Presido Buhari don follow Economic Advisory Council members do virtual meeting. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry dis ogbonge informate come give una. And my name na Aisosa Osayende.